Alfred Sears describes the aftermath of Hurricane Matthew and the undeniable resilience of the Bahamian people. Here's what he had to say.
Hurricane Matthew was a traumatic experience. It robbed families of the most secure space they had. But for children, it was even much more traumatic because they witnessed parents helpless, and in a matter of minutes, toys, bedrooms, safe places utterly destroyed. This is a time when we must move beyond our comfort zone, and we must respond not only in a material way, but we must respond with love, with caring, with counseling, especially for the children and for our seniors, so that we help each other to regain a sense of normalcy, a secured space or spaces again, and finally to realize we are as strong as the most vulnerable among us.